Stop tapping. Thread milling. The complete solution for cost and efficiency. In 2026, precision is about risk management. Traditional tapping exerts immense torque on the tool, making breakage a constant threat to high-value components and project margins. Technical Insight thread milling utilizes helical interpolation. By using a tool smaller than the hole, we ensure zero chip clogging and absolute control over thread diameter. Flexibility is productivity. One thread mill can handle multiple diameters and reach the very bottom of blind holes with verified consistency. Case study. For a Tier 1 aerospace OEM, switching to thread milling for critical housing ports reduced scrap rates to 0% and improved TCO by 22.4%. Quality is verified through Class 3B fit audits. Our closed-loop metrology ensures that every thread meets the stringent standards of mission-critical hardware. L's Manufacturing. Precision at scale. Digital certainty for the physical world. Upload your step file today for a professional 24-hour threading audit.